if you're somebody in the cold weather climate, like myself here in Minnesota, you have a lot of winter gear that you have to wear to keep warm. And I think sometimes that can interfere with our style if we're not intentional. So that is what I'm gonna help you with here today.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like. Hey, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
All right, hey there, fashion friends. Welcome to today's episode. I'm very happy that you joined me here today. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like additional content, make sure to head to the link down below and join my YouTube memberships program. 1 gets you additional perks and 2 gets you additional content. 2 more videos to be exact, a memberships only Q&A as well as a themed vlog every month. For the month of November, I will be doing a fashion police vlog where the members get to send in photos of themselves for outfits that they're just not quite sure of. They've got the outfit sort of in mind, but they're just not sure how they can elevate it further. So that is what we will be doing this month. So if you want to be a part of that, make sure to join at the link down below, or at the little button just below this video, there's a little button that says join, so you can click that as well. And if you choose not to, that's fine too. I'm just happy that you showed up here today. So we're talking about 5 winter gear items that we can replace with more edgy, elevated pieces to make our winter fashion or our winter style, our winter outfits a lot more elevated and edgy so that we don't lose out on that fashion for the winter. So all of these things that I'm talking about here today are still practical, still functional for those cold weather months, but are fashion. So today I'm speaking to specific items that I actually own, that I actually have, that I actually use for the winter time. And I will be linking those here in the YouTube affiliate links. You can either click the see more on the description for a lineup of those, or there is the little pop-ups here in the corner of the video. So I will be giving specific links as well as general links for other options. So if you're looking for something to replace your winter gear, you can definitely find that in the YouTube affiliate links. All of this really, really helps me out if you make those purchases through those links, so I appreciate that support. All right, with all that, let's get started. Number 1 is, of course, winter snow boots. If you live anywhere like Minnesota, you deal with a lot of snowy weather. It is definitely a stigma that all Minnesotans, all they ever wear is snow boots. That is so not true. I would say most true Minnesotans on a regular basis are usually wearing just normal shoes. But with that, there's definitely a time and a place when you definitely need proper snow boots. What I use to replace my normal snow boots are these Adidas Stella McCartney boots. So I got these 2 years ago. They've been bringing them back each winter. Yeah, I bought these because it was my first winter and I thought, I don't want just like your normal sort of winter boots. And I saw these and I just loved that they had like some serious edge to them. They had some style to them. They had some design to them, but they were still super practical, still super functional with warmth and all that kind of stuff. And in my opinion, still very timeless. Like now, whenever I do need a snow boot, I feel so much more elevated when I put these boots with whatever it is I'm wearing at the moment, whether it's with snow pants or just with my normal jeans or pants. As well as that, the little thing I love about these, like in a practical way, is the little extra elastic at the top, because I'm one of those, I absolutely hate getting snow like falling into the boot. One of my worst pet peeves. So that was the other little detail that pulled me in with these boots. Number 2 is a winter base layer. Yeah, okay, if you're in cold weather climate, you know you need a base layer. The base layers that I love the most, and I'm sure a lot of you can guess, is turtlenecks. Yes, I love turtlenecks because I think they are very elegant, very sophisticated, very classic. And like I talked about in my layering video, I love that they add height, they add dimension, they add interest. So I just love that that base layer is kind of like starting off the outfit with a good note, you know, a good foundation. As well as that, functionality wise, as somebody with short hair, I love that it protects my neck for those breezier moments. Number 3 is winter layers. So I just did a video on this last week on how to elevate your style using layers. Definitely bringing in things that just have a little bit more edge to them or a little more drama to them, a little bit more style to them, so that when you do add them to your outfits, you're bringing in that style in an effortless way. It could be something as simple as a puffer vest that just has some little tweaks to it that make it a little more special than your your normal puffer vest. So it's just kind of being intentional with the choices that you make when you're pulling in your layering choices, so you can have that effortlessness of style when you're adding those pieces to an outfit. This is an Everlane Renew puffer vest that is made out of recycled polyester. Number 4 is winter hats. I think it's such a focal point and such an opportunity for bringing in some more stylish interest. So the options that I go with on a regular basis, a fisherman's beanie. The hipster fisherman's beanie is definitely one of my go-tos because it brings in that contrast, it brings in that edge, especially it's such a great contrast against like my more feminine, strong makeup, because it's, you know, just that easy, like, oh, the masculinity of the fisherman's beanie with the contrast of my makeup. Easy, done. As well as that, this is kind of the area that I like to bring in a little bit of color because everywhere else I'm pretty neutral. So this is where I like to have a lot of fun with color. And number 5, the most important, the winter coat. I definitely have my functional, practical winter coats for sure. Because again, there's a time and a place. Like if you're going out to snow blow the driveway, you need your Woolrich parka. But I think it's important to also have those fashion options. And for me, what I choose for that is overcoats, because I love to be able to layer it up or layer it down. So just depending on what the weather is, because sometimes the weather's not that cold and you don't need like this really thick parka. So I love wool overcoats for that reason, because one, they're body temperature moderating, they're breathable, moisture wicking, but then yeah, so you can easily just layer it up or layer it down. So I have a long puffer liner that I will wear underneath that if I need that extra bit of warmth, as well as that. Now, most of you that have been with me for a while are very aware of my mousy denim overcoat. And so I will definitely be rocking that this winter as well by layering it over top my wool overcoat or layering it over top my puffer liner. Otherwise, I'm only gonna be able to wear it for like little parts of the year. The other option is finding parkas or coats that are a lot more fashion forward, are a lot more trendy, or a lot more edgy. One of the ones I'm super obsessed with right now, and I wish I had the budget to get this, is the Sukai Carhartt collaboration parka. Whew, this beauty. Yeah, so that's definitely an option too, is going for really fashion forward type overcoat or parka, whatever it is. Or you can go with something like what I've done with just like overcoats that are super easy to be versatile with. It just goes with everything and it elevates everything.
You're on my screen like a monumental totem, a beam of light. You rise above the dark, and I don't mean to be a whistleblower, but I know that being me, is a saga from afar. When I go too far, I owe myself some real self-care. While you're there, don't spare. Golden bridge, she don't wish.
All right, my friends, so those are my 5 edgy elevated replacements for our normal winter gear. So I hope that you found today's video helpful. If there is an edgy winter gear item that you use that I did not mention here today, make sure to comment down below and share with us. You know I love those conversations. You know I love us all coming together as a community and collaborating. Either way, I hope that you found today's video helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Give me that thumbs up, comment below, share with your friends, and subscribe for future weekly episodes. And make sure to click the little bell to get notified when I post my new episodes. All of this really helps her grow out. It really helps me to break through that thick, massive YouTube algorithm wall. So I really appreciate your support. All right, my friends, have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay healthy, stay safe, love, and support each other. And we will definitely be chatting soon. Bye.